Get me power!
What's up guys, this is part 3 of the powder coating oven build. So I'm gonna show you very quickly. You can see over here we have already put a box with the electronics in. I'm gonna show you that really quick. We already tried it out very quickly, but it started burning. I'm gonna show you the clip right now. So as you can see, that's not very good. Now we're going to try to make something else so we can fit the parts into the wood without actually burning everything. So yeah, come with me and I'm gonna show you. So here you can see this is like the little button to choose temperature. Here you have the main electronic parts. Then this one goes down with the wires inside the holes we made to fit everything in. So as you saw, it was burning over here, so we're going to cut the hole a little bit bigger. We're going to cut a hole over here, make it bigger. Then we're going to put this part in. This one, it's in metal, so it won't burn. But we will have to put a little adapter so everything can get hot without actually burning. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. So over here we made the hole a little bit bigger. That way we will be able to fit this one in here with some silicone, heat resistant. So that way the wood won't take heat anymore. Yeah, this one we are also going to cut away afterwards. First we need to test everything, so yeah. So now it's heating up. As you can see, that's the way we are going to place the little box. For the rest, now it's just testing and seeing how hot it's getting. So guys, as you can see, the oven is working. I'm inside the oven now. We're testing it out to see if it's heating up. I already feel very warm. You can see the complete element is turning red now. After testing out the oven, we noticed that the oven went to 110 degrees in around 45 minutes to an hour. So that's really taking a lot of time, because if you want to powder coat, you want your oven to heat up quicker. So Brent went ahead, he already drawed out what we're planning to do in the next video. I'm gonna show you this on the screen right now. He already ordered 3 new heating elements and we're going to link them up in the next video. And that way the oven will heat up way quicker. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Ciao.